Hey guys, Fernando from Montiel's Customs. Today on this episode, we're working on two cars that we're going to start working on. This one here is a 65 Mustang Fastback, and we're going to do some swapping from this 2007, doing the interior and then dash and see how it works out. We're going to try to retrofit it all in there, so we'll see how it goes. So obviously we got no motor in this thing, so we're actually going to try to swap that motor in there. It's a 4.0 liter, so we're going to try to do that and put it in that Mustang. We're also going to see if we can retrofit the suspension. We're going to do obviously some modifications and some welding up stuff, so we'll try to make it work. Maybe we can get a little bit more modern suspension, but for the buck we're going to try to save as much money as we can, and hopefully we can use the rear end too, and then we're going to go from there and try to see if we can finagle it in there. We're going to go right to the Camaro that we're working on. Let me just show you guys what's going on with that. All right guys, so here's the Camaro. We're going to pretty much just put a couple little spots that we're doing. Other than that, the car's pretty much already been blocked and everything, so we're ready to get it painted. This is kind of the color that we're going to go with. We just shot it so that way the customer can get an idea of what his car's going to look like. Hope you guys like the color. So this is where we're at with the Camaro. So now we're going to go take a look at the Valor. Last episode we were working on it, so let's just show you guys a little bit of the finished product. Follow me. Alright guys, so here's the Valor. We got stripe done on the car, and we got it pretty much painted. So customer's gonna come see it in a couple days. So there she is in her glory. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and like. We'll see you on the next one.